Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue south on US Highway 98, concurrent with US 19 South, US 27 alternate south, and unsigned State Road 55 south, beginning at mile 320 in unincorporated Dixie County. This part of the Big Bend is one of those stretches where the highway feels bigger than the landscape around it, because we're on a broad 4-lane corridor running through flat timber country, scattered rural development, and one of the least populated counties in Florida. The Census Bureau's latest estimate puts Dixie County at 18,038 residents as of 2025, and the county leans hard into its hidden coast identity, promoting its long shoreline, birding, fishing, paddling, and large swaths of public land instead of heavy resort development. Southbound, this corridor carries us toward Cross City and then onward toward Old Town, Chiefland, and the long southward run of US 19, while road fans also get the quiet bonus of hidden State Road 55 riding along underneath the shields. Before we reach town, the same route is the main inland spine for communities like Cross City, with County Road 358 intersecting the highway twice in this part of Dixie County as the road eases its way southeast toward the county seat. As we enter Cross City, the rural expressway starts to gather into a service center, and this is where a lot of Dixie County's day-to-day life comes together. Cross City is the county seat, and the latest official Census Bureau population estimate places it at 1,816 residents in 2024. Even though it's a small town, the 2020 to 2024 ACS figures give it a median household income of about $47,903 and a median owner-occupied home value of about $97,400. For travelers, this is one of the most practical stops on the route, with fuel, food, lodging, and side roads branching out toward the coast, especially County Road 351, which leads southwest toward Horseshoe Beach. The town's story goes back to a late 1890s settlement known as Crossroads, and the present name still reflects that original function as a meeting point of local routes. Cross City was incorporated in 1924, celebrated its centennial in 2024, and local organizers said they'd hoped to keep a Founders Day celebration going around that same April season. The timber industry was central to the town's early growth, especially with the Putnam Lumber Company, and that legacy still shows up in Putnam Lodge, the 1927 hotel built to host lumber buyers and visitors. Cross City also has the county-owned airport, a former World War II military field, and the old railroad presence lives on too, because the former rail line through town is now part of the Nature Coast State Trail, giving Cross City an outdoor recreation role that's bigger than its size might suggest. We enter Eugene, another small unincorporated Dixie County community on this same highway corridor. Eugene does not have the profile of an incorporated town, but has been around long enough to appear on a detailed 1936 Florida State Road Department map, and it still shows up on FDOT county maps today. This makes it one of those classic old Florida place names that survives as a named crossroads and community marker. County Road 55A meets the highway here, and that road forms a loop between Eugene and Old Town south of the main route, which is a nice little reminder that this whole section of Dixie County is threaded with older local connections around the Sewanee lowlands. So Eugene may be modest on the ground, but it is still a real and long-lasting part of the map as we continue south through rural Dixie County. We conclude today's video at mile 336. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.